Here we are, the Norwegian Breakaway Club Balcony Suite, room 13194. We're gonna start right here at the front door. Here's all your emergency instructions. Okay, you go here. Here is the bathroom. We will do this at the end, okay? You got your controls for your heating and cooling right there. They have the card for power. Okay, they leave a card in there, which is really nice. You have a full-size mirror right here. Nice queen-size bed. You have the closet right here. You got your safe in there. The other side, ample storage room for hanging out your clothes. Very nice. You have controls for the lights right next to your bed, which are nice. So you can turn them off while you're in bed. Got a reading light next to the bed. Really cool. No power solutions next to the bed, guys. No outlets, no power outlets. You have another set over here, another light. You have a light here, and this looks like you could actually put something back there, but it's decorative. There's your TV. A little bit on the small side, but nice. More storage. More storage. And here we go. That is where your refrigerator is, right underneath here. Okay, here's your power solution situation. You have two 110 outlets, you have two European outlets. So they're a little low on power solutions. You got light switch there, okay. That's your light for above the mirror, very nice. You have a couch right here, and then here is your balcony. It is raining outside, guys. We are not gonna go out there right now, but you can see the mighty Mississippi River. Very, very nice. But it's been a rainy day here in New Orleans. Pretty standard size balcony. Might be a little bit on the small side, but a very nice room indeed. Let's take a look at that bathroom. Okay, here we are, the bathroom. As on all of the cruise ships, you have to step up to get into the bathroom. And I have to say, this is a very roomy bathroom. Very nice, a very nice size shower, plenty of headroom. They have the clothesline in effect. They actually left it hooked up there, which is cool. Adjustable height on the shower head, which is nice. You have two sinks. And storage underneath here. And that is actually your garbage can, kind of neat, out of the way, very nice. And they have body wash and a conditioning shampoo, complimentary. Over here you have hand soap. That's a nice touch. Most of the cruise lines they tend to use the regular bar soap. So say bar soap. Okay, couple glasses. You got a shelf right here. Very nice. There's not a lot of counter space because of the two sinks, but they do give you this little shelf right here. So I would say we are a little lacking in that department. And the only other concern I have, there's not very many towels in here right now, guys. So, and then here's your toilet, plenty of elbow space. And they have grab rails here to help you stand up if you have any kind of disability or need assistance standing up. Very nice. But that is a bathroom here on the Norwegian Breakaway.